Hello again. Okay, so this is how my brain works, okay? I'm at the gym and I'm watching the TVs, right? And I keep seeing commercials of fried chicken, chicken nuggets, yada yada. So I thought, you know what? I haven't had chicken tenders, chicken nuggets in a long time. One, because they're not generally low carb, keto friendly, and two, they're not generally gluten-free. So I thought, you know what, let me experiment. And I'm glad to say, first try, hit it at the ball game. I would show you, but the boys, well, my boy already ate the samples I made. So I thought, you know what, let me test a little batch out first before I waste a lot of good chicken. All right, but anyway, so what I did, and it only bakes in about 15 minutes. I do have a second batch, so hopefully I can finish this little demo by the time that's ready to come out so you can see. Oop, there we go. All right, so what you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Okay, so I didn't do all my calculations quite yet to try to figure out how many per serving, but for the mixture itself, net carbs was, I wrote it down somewhere. Hold on. Let's see. 10. So 10 net carbs for the whole batter. Okay. So again, it's not like you're gonna sit here and eat the whole thing, right? It's what you're coating your chicken in. So do the math, okay? So again, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Again, you want to make sure that they are gluten-free and that they don't have any added sugar. Okay, 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk powder. I got this on Amazon. Again, you want to make sure it's gluten-free. It doesn't have any added sugars. Okay, so 1 tablespoon. Now, you're gonna want 4 tablespoons of almond flour. Okay, so let me pour that in there. Now, if you went to school, you know they taught you how to level it out. Who has time for that, right? Okay, so 3, 4. Okay, so I got that. And now I'm going to do half a teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, here we go. It's gonna give you a kick. It's like chicken tenders with, I don't wanna call it a Mexican twist to it, but it is pretty spicy. It's good, very good. Okay, and then 3/4 teaspoon of curry. I love curry, okay? I put curry in a lot of my dishes where you wouldn't expect it to be. So if you have some of my cooking, you'll notice a little something. It's the curry. Why? It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, and to me, I like the taste. So 3/4 teaspoon of curry. Now, my first batch, I did do 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. I cut it back by half a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna do 1 teaspoon, see how it turns out. I love salt, okay? And it tasted great, but I thought, you know what, it might be a little too salty for people's taste. So we'll just do 1 teaspoon. And then we are going to do 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Again, cumin is one of those spices where you really want to be careful. So yeah, I'm not going to put more than 1/4 teaspoon. Again, it could be very overtaking and you don't want to ruin your dish. Okay. So you want to take a fork and just kind of mix all your ingredients together, okay? So what I also have to dip my chicken tenders in is 2 eggs, just plain 2 plain eggs. Okay. So you want to break up all the little almond flour and thoroughly mix all your ingredients. If you have a thick sifter, and if you want to take the time to sift it together, obviously it'll coat everything evenly, but shortcuts, right? We want fast and simple. Yeah, okay. I know I do. All right, so we're good. Simple, okay? There we go. Now let me grab a baking dish. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of your chicken breast, dip it in the egg wash. Can you see? Let me, here, let's do the whole thing. Okay, there we go. Egg wash both sides, yeah. Okay, and then you're going to put it in the seasoning, the coating, okay. I like to press down on it so you get it nice and coated like so, okay, both sides, and then put it straight on an ungreased baking dish. Perfect timing. Okay, let me wash my hands, hold on. Okay, that's the second batch, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not have a meat thermometer, a cooking thermometer, get one. You can get one at Walmart for about $8. Totally worth the investment, especially if you're doing a lot of meat cooking in chicken. You want to make sure, okay, that's the nurse in me, that it's cooked to temperature. So I'm going to double check, make sure that my chicken is at 165 degrees before I pull it out of the oven, okay? Hold on just a second. Beautiful. Okay, we're good. All right, so let me just pull this out of the oven. And ta-da! Okay, so there you go. Let it sit for about 2-3 minutes. Let it cool down. Again, this is low carb, gluten-free, fried chicken, okay? You're not frying it in the oil, which, you know, yeah, you want your healthy oils, but not like that. So there you have it. I'm just gonna continue to coat these chicken breasts. All right, oh, that's right. So 375 for 15 minutes, okay? That's it. Enjoy.